Welcome to the AACFB's 2021 Meet the Funder webinar series. My name is Monica Harper. I'm the Executive Director of AACFB. Our presenter today is Dean Oliver from NFS Leasing. I'd like to thank them for their support of the association. And at this time, I want to turn it over to Dean. It's all yours.
Thank you, Monica. And hello to all you AACFB members out there. NFS Leasing is proud to be a longtime member and sponsor of the AACFB. I'm pleased to have the opportunity to speak with you today and to share a bit about who NFS Leasing is and how we serve the broker community. I know we are recording here, but please know that you can reach out to us at NFS Leasing at any time by going to our website at nfsleasing.com, by emailing us at info@nfsleasing.com, or by calling us at 866-970-4NFS. I would be happy to hear from those of you that I've known for years and any new members that may see an opportunity to do business together. I'm going to jump right in and describe as best I can who NFS Leasing is and how we work with the broker community. So, who is NFS Leasing? Well, we are known as the story lender. As you may know, a story lender not only looks at financials, but listens to and considers the story of a struggling business when it looks to provide financing for them. What we mean by a challenged credit customer is those businesses that may be just starting out, perhaps have no or limited revenue, companies whose rapid growth has created a need for equipment, those launching a new product or entering a new market, a company in turnaround, or even a company coming out of bankruptcy. All are typically considered C, D, or story credit businesses. We are entrepreneurs, so we like to find opportunities that will transform our customers when we originate a lease. This can create opportunities for partnership for both ourselves and the brokers. Essentially, any customer that has been turned down by a traditional funding source or requires critical equipment to support their business, but cannot easily secure the needed financing, is a candidate for working with NFS. NFS is creative, specialized, and experienced in doing just that. And over a few decades, we have developed a business model and process that enables us to make our decisions on factors other than just the business's financial statements. We listen to the customer's story, and we come to understand the situation and the opportunity. With that, we are able to find alternative and creative financial solutions to help serve the customer. Said differently, NFS Leasing can work with your customers to serve businesses with big ideas, customers that need cash, businesses with various opportunities, but facing difficulty securing equipment financing needed for their business. We will help you turn what could be a challenging or even a lost opportunity into a win. Working with NFS, you can help find your customer solution and you can close more deals. We are specialized and experienced in financing story credit customers. In fact, that is all we do, turning a challenge into an opportunity by providing financing for an underserved niche in the business community, C, D, and story credits. I'll walk you through our experience and track record here. NFS has roots dating back to 1989, with our current NFS Leasing official brand inception in 2007. The company actually comes from humble beginnings, but has grown substantially every year. We are happy to share that we achieved 16% growth in originations this past year, which, as you know, was a very challenging year for many. And we have a strong track record of achieving 20% growth in originations in many years prior. We are actually entrepreneurs ourselves. I have been with the company since its inception, and let me tell you, we get a challenging situation. The history and evolution of the company is actually pretty cool. Because we have limited time, I won't take you through the detailed timeline today, but you can read our story on our website at nfsleasing.com. I have included a link at the end of the presentation, or feel free to call me and I'd be happy to share it with you. We want to have an impact. That is an important value of ours and one of the reasons why we do what we do. NFS makes a positive impact on the economy by infusing capital into businesses that need cash, fueling our growth and for our brokers as well. And we have been doing so for more than 2 decades. Lastly, I'd really like to share this tidbit with others. Traditionally, NFS is also proud to give back and make an impact on our broader community. We are pleased to have been a dedicated community giver since our very beginning, supporting many charitable organizations. The company also provides volunteer paid time off to its employees for community service as a benefit. We have $1 million giving back pledge that we are on track to meet this year. It's cool stuff. That's the nuts and bolts of who NFS Leasing is and our track record. A brief example by way of a story. NFS was introduced to an entrepreneur who had developed an educational management software product over many years. He had an opportunity to land a new contract with the state government, but the contract required that he provide hardware to deliver his software as a subscription service. He needed financing for more than $2 million of tablets to secure to various early educational institutions. As a small business, this was a very difficult challenge, and he was turned down by several lenders before being introduced to NFS. NFS took the time to understand the challenges he faced, but also the opportunity. We saw that the financing could be transformational for his business. We created a structure that allowed this entrepreneur to take advantage of his opportunity and ultimately provided the ability for his firm to realize its potential. This entrepreneur realized his dream, and he is on the verge of a successful exit. This is a good example of the type of challenge that NFS was created to meet. Now moving on to the details of how we do what we do. As I've said, we serve challenge credit businesses. It can be a hassle for these businesses trying to secure financing, and in turn, a hassle for you, jumping from one funding source to another, looking for a flexible solution that meets your customers' needs. Well, NFS Leasing does this every day. Speak with us about your challenge credit deal, and we will often get it approved. Past bankruptcy situations or a turnaround business, that's okay. A new business trying to secure equipment that perhaps doesn't have a steady revenue flow yet, that's okay too. An existing business expanding into a new market or launching a new product in a hyper-growth situation, that's a specialty, and we'll get them approved. We have been serving the broker community for many years, and we have a great expertise in tough finance situations. We will find a custom solution for the mid to large ticket deals up to $15 million, and also have a small ticket program for transactions under $150,000. We pride ourselves in being efficient and getting the deal done for you. We have various finance solutions, and we'll look to customize a solution for your customer's specific situation. An FMV lease is the most common for us, but we are known for some very unique finance solutions. That is the benefit of working with NFS. We are creative, independent, and we make our own credit decisions. We think outside the box. We can look at other assets and factors in creating a solution. We can be flexible with your customer situation and needs. NFS not only originates, but also documents and services all its leases, creating a smooth in-house process that gets deals done. I want to take a moment to talk about the industries we serve. And the easiest way to say it is we serviced almost all industries and asset classes. Literally, from computers to construction equipment, from roller coasters and water parks. Whether it's modular buildings or medical devices, we are a flexible partner to work with. The only real exclusions for us are cannabis, firearms, and adult entertainment. That said, we do serve the cannabis industry in Canada where it's federally legal. So we are a one-stop shop for all equipment types, for all challenge credit, C, D, and Story. Unlike many others, we often finance larger transactions, providing solutions for up to $15 million for our mutual customers. As stated, we are very proud of our seamless process and have a couple decades of experience in serving the broker community. We understand that as a broker, your contribution is valuable. NFS looks to be efficient at every step of the process. We also understand that while finding financing is key, time is also valuable. So we will work to be responsive and timely, both to you and your customer. We want to get deals done and get you paid. At NFS, we want to engage in a true partnership with you, a long-term partnership where we can both grow together. Now, I know a good amount of the broker community and members of the AACFB are working with us already. But if you are not yet a member of the NFS Leasing Broker Program, you can easily connect with us on our website or call me directly and we will get you set up. Even if you have a deal right now, you can contact us and we will work your sign up simultaneously with the deal you are currently engaged in. And we will be one step ahead, ready for you when the next Story Credit customer is in need of a creative finance solution. I know on the call there are several brokers that we have likely worked with for many years. We want to take an opportunity to thank you for your business and partnership. We appreciate the contribution you make and the vendors and customers you have introduced us to and entrusted us with. You can count on us to honor those relationships. Before we finish, I want to briefly discuss the why of what we do. Our mission is to transform customers with flexible finance. That is our DNA and the reason many of you have worked with us in the past, and the reason many customers return for multiple schedules again and again. That said, we also try to make an impact every day. We want to encourage, contribute to, and promote a solid economy. As entrepreneurs, we're inspired by innovation and challenges, and we seek to use our business expertise to have a positive impact on customers and communities. Given our roots, NFS itself can identify with financially struggling businesses. And if we can humbly say we happen to do it really well. As stated on the previous slides, we do this by thinking differently. And in reality, the NFS team likes a good challenge. For me personally, it's very rewarding to know the impact that our services bring to customers and the challenges we help them meet, creating jobs and opportunities. We've been there. The NFS roots date back to 1989, when our founder was an entrepreneur in the computer industry. Since then, we have obviously evolved, reinvented, rebranded, and thankfully succeeded. That is the impact we want to have on our customers that may be struggling businesses. So to wrap it up here, it's been my pleasure to have this opportunity to speak with you today. I hope that this was valuable information and that NFS Leasing can help you serve your next story credit customer and save you the hassle of trying to search for a creative financial solution that meets their needs. That's what we do every day of the week. So sign up with us and send us your C, D, and story credit customer opportunities. We can help. If you haven't already, contact us to enroll in our broker program. Our contact information is listed here, and as mentioned, you can read the detailed NFS story on our website. Thank you, and we look forward to partnering with you on your next story credit deal. On behalf of the NFS team, thanks very much for listening, and we look forward to seeing you at AACFB events and working with you in the future. Monica, back over to you.
Thank you, Dean. Thanks for a great job explaining the value proposition for NFS Leasing. We are happy to have you as a funding partner for our broker members. I invite everyone to reach out to Dean if you have any questions regarding anything covered in this presentation. And thanks for joining us. Have a great day.
Thank you. Thank you.